I am here in the hills of St. Andrew, vibing with one of the most recognizable faces in dancehall. His parents named him Garland Rowe, but we know him as...
Yeah, on the research. G-WHIZZ that? We're there.
And as I respect you, brother.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Father G, is everything good?
Everything great. Look there, man.
Blessings,
It's
you
a
know.
beautiful day. We're there up on the hillside and we're all a nice vibe, though.
Yeah, man.
Great,
Chronics
man.
last time.
Great. You see?
G-WHIZZ, talk to it. Early life, place of birth, schooling.
Yeah, big family.
Big family.
7 sisters, 1 brother.
Daddy did that chop.
You see me, I say chop. You see me, I say. So, remember when me young we do a whole heap of moving. You see me, I say from Linstead to Southside to Harbourview to a place named Campden Road at the outer Dunkirk side.
Yeah.
And the reason for that was, you know what I mean, you don't know, hard life. So we had to just a bunks about and move around. You see me, I say? So, school, we used to go Amsby Hall Primary and then we used to go
Which part that located?
Winard Road.
Winard Road, okay.
Yeah, and then we used to go Vauxhall High School, Winard Road, same way.
Mommy and daddy still around?
Father drop out.
Father
Rest
drop
in
out.
peace,
Condolences.
but
Mommy
around,
still
yeah.
about. And mommy alright?
Mommy alright, mommy great.
G-WHIZZ, the name. Well, you get that up there because I want to carry me no name, you know.
Yeah. And G-WHIZZ is a form of astonishment, you know what I mean?
G-WHIZZ.
Yeah, G-WHIZZ, yeah.
Yeah.
Element of
A
surprise.
surprise.
You see me, so forwarding up in early stage of the music, but just give myself a name there.
So nobody ascribe a name to you?
No, I'm give myself my name because the birth name is Garland.
Garland.
So we take the G off of Garland and the WHIZZ now is short for wizard.
Wizard.
So we just say G-WHIZZ.
The music though, how you end up in the music? Was it something that you always wanted or something where you find along the way or something where you buck up in?
Yeah, music, I like it from early stage. Music always like, alright, the first thing, them say when you start life is a bed if you buy.
Yeah, true, yeah.
The first thing we buy was a component set.
You buy a component set.
You could attach a mic to it.
Oh.
So we used to play a whole heap of cassette and a sing on the component set and things. So that was early days. But really discover someone become an artist in a high school. You see me?
Vauxhall days.
Music teacher. Yeah, Mr. Reynolds.
Mr. Reynolds.
Yeah, him kind
Still
of.
alive.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, Mr. Reynolds.
Big up yourself, Reynolds. So him push me to join the choir. You see me? So when I join the choir now, I start enter whole heap of talent contest, JCDC thing, man, and whole heap of school contest. You see me?
Yeah, man.
I'm start build love for become an artist, man. That's so.
You had a desire for do the music, but how you actually enter in the industry though? Who was there a link? Was there a person who said, "Yo, I see this and I think I have it forward in"?
Yeah, before the link, you know, I just my pushing myself. Alright, when we leave school, we go 9 to 5, because we don't have money in our pocket. And we like depend on people, so we go work for things. Amount of place I used to work. I used to work at Cake Soap Factory, Mr. Chin Shop, I used to work at Azan, I used to work at Bashko, all heap of place.
Long time also.
A long time, you see me I say? So, while I used to work, I used to enter talent contest, taste the talent contest.
Yeah.
And I used to do some whole heap of singing. Some little thing keep every pan and I sing, you see me?
Yeah, so, go for it.
Yeah. So I go say boom one time and one station named Cable View TV. You see me? Them used to have all the artist interview and them invite me one day, I'm go there and do the interview. So when I do the interview now, I brother see the interview and call the station the next day. I say, yo, who are you there? Interested in working with him. And Cable View TV, I know Stacy long time.
Okay.
And then by she seen me enter Tasty Calendar.
Oh, you enter Tasty? Which year enter Tasties?
Whole heap a year. Whole heap a year.
You mean you did it repeatedly?
Repeatedly. About 4 times.
And you never get through and you still go back?
The closest I got to win in a second place. You see me?
Mad thing.
Yeah. And that time first time music pay me. Yeah, second place give me 40 grand. And I say, yo, this feel good.
You remember the year?
Yeah, no, I remember the year. I remember the year. But yeah, that was the first taste of music paying me. Taste the talent. So yeah, so the interview now when I go up on the person see it and call the interview and say, who that youth? We need to work with it. So Stacy called me, I met the link and that was my manager, brother called Lloyd Massimo. You see me? So him take up the career and start shoot a whole heap of video for me and start get me out there more.
I remember the first song we ever go in a studio go record.
Yeah, man. A tune name. She's hot. I like the way she move. I like the way she groove. I like the way she shake that thing. Remember, I recorded it up a Bobby Digital studio. You know, I let
How well did that song do though?
Yo, it got good pon the
Social media.
No, them time on social media. We have no Instagram, we have no Facebook.
Yeah.
We have MySpace and
My high five, yeah man, a long time.
You see me? So it got good pon like RETV them and ITV
okay,
them
cool.
and pon the i5 and MySpace. You see me?
Massimo took up the career and start run with it.
Yeah, start run with it.
So doors start open, you know.
Yeah.
See
Not
it?
yet.
Not
Only
yet.
for tiling same way.
The career still never take off yet.
No. I only for tiling.
Still in the streets.
I big up Sharon Burke too.
Sharon Burke.
Yeah. She used to put me on a whole heap of things as a young artist. On some school
Solid.
tour. Yeah, Solid Agency. She used to put me on a whole heap of things as a young artist. School tour, she put me on Fully Loaded.
You do Fully Loaded?
Yeah, man.
You remember which year you do that?
No, I
you
don't
don't
remember
remember
year.
year
A long time. I don't remember no year.
You know, do well with the year with the G-WHIZZ.
You see me? But we can't tell you
Yeah,
history.
man.
So, the first time I go Full Load is what as a contestant too. You see me? Some B-Mobile thing. Them time that B-Mobile already
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So, yeah. Alright, you see the brother will take up the career and I run with it now. Him they know TJ Records.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So I say, TJ, remember young artist I work with him, more you voice him and thing. But as a young artist, TJ not quick for voice me.
Yeah, because you know no name yet.
Yeah.
Though.
Me have to do my tiling and run
Pay your
the course.
dues.
Yeah, run the course. You see me? So me there. Different from that, I voice up something.
Still I
it
put
out.
you in the work.
Yeah, make some video. And then we go say boom now and TJ say, yo, you ready for voice the artist? You see me? You know we sang that live.
Live. So
Yeah.
how that song that come about though? Because G-WHIZZ, that song I one of the anthem them in the space, you know. You
Yeah.
understand? No matter where the music go, no matter how much years elapse, that song they go always
Even
relevant.
now,
You understand
even
what I
now,
say?
even now.
That song, you just go on the boat and it come or something you sit down and pen.
Yeah, cause in that time, you know, for a young artist jump out in that time, that was Gully Gaza time. You know?
Yeah. You have to come good.
Yeah. So I wait so long for TJ for voice me. When he send me rhythm, brother.
Yeah.
But you know, I could go look.
Yeah.
None at all. So
Yeah, because
Yeah.
in them time the music was being dominated by the rivalry between Gully and Gaza done.
2009, them time, 2008,
yeah.
Gully Gaza. You see me, I say, and what Cartel was already on the rhythm. Rhino was already on
Yes.
the rhythm. And then, a 4 artists in there, then me did for voice, then Buga, the last one. Voice. So when they give me rhythm now, me have to know, me have to just go hard. And then I kind of put all of my life experience leading up.
Yeah.
Life so sad out. When you hear me say, Mama
Because-
tell me say, go on while mates. I really think my mother tell me.
Give people them piece of tune, man.
Better use never give up. G-WHIZZ that. Real life so sad out. So we no worry. Yeah, my life so happy, mama tell me say. You know the rest each
Well,
one.
well, man. And yeah, so that song there came out of the fact that growing up, the thing never so pretty. You
No,
understand?
not
It was
at
a
all,
struggle.
not at all,
Lot
not
of siblings and Zayn, you always have that dream there to step out the growing up years and achieve something.
Yeah,
You understand?
something great.
Zayn.
So that's how that came about.
yeah, so life soon sort out. It dropped.
Yeah.
What happened? It lift. All right.
We
So,
can't tell you a date you know.
Talk
The
to me.
first time that play
yeah.
on radio. April 1st, 2009.
All fools there to the brother.
You see me?
There's
That's
a
the
April
first
1st,
date.
2009.
That date there, yeah. First
You
time.
remember which DJ played?
Liquid man.
Liquid.
First time. After that day, there, me I hear this song every day.
Every day.
And me I say, Judge, I know.
So that song there wasn't a social media hit. That song that hit organically. Do the rounds, going on the space,
Yeah.
and the people them take on to it.
Yeah, organically,
Yeah,
street,
man.
it take off first.
What a song they do for you, brother?
Holy.
Start out your life.
Holy. Because them time them live in Nannyville. You see me?
So the night projects.
Yeah, still in our project, the Garrison thing. So when that hit and start play every day, I say, yo, we have something here, And then 1 month later, we go to boom and shoot the video down at town, in the market. And then after that, brother, a beer flying, beer
yeah.
something. Japan, England, Canada, USA, whole heap of Caribbean. Remember, I youth from the ghetto, you know, I never have first me a fly, you know.
Yeah.
You see me and all that life change, you see?
Life change. Your life has start out.
Your life starts out literally.
That was the big break that you would have been waiting for, you would have been working for. It
Yeah.
came.
That was the
Many
big break.
people coming out of the business, seeing them going at the board, them voice a song and a hit. But
Yeah.
not many persons are able to repeat that or to remain relevant in the space. What has the journey been like since then?
Yeah, since then, you don't know, we just continue with some song like we go on and on and on. Song like whether night or even day, we not go. I will sing for mama. Just a little bit longer, mommy. Better soon come. Me a angel, baby run with a boy there. You so call you man. And we just do the thing and I continue.
So
journey.
it became easier for you now. Forget go up on a rhythm. You understand? I assume the producers were probably seeking you out where in the past you would have been the one initiating contact
Yeah.
with producers.
Yeah.
So it made the thing a little bit more easier
Yeah.
and accessible.
A little bit more.
Zane.
That's the way it always go. You see me I say, you know what I mean? As soon as you jump out and have that hit song,
Yeah.
and you know what I mean, kind of in demand, you will find people out. You see me I say? Want to work with you easy.
So after TJ push that a road, who are some of the producers? So you work with Bobby Digital, you work with TJ.
Yeah.
Who else you work with since them time there?
TJ, Cashflow Records, Sean is them. Who again? Triton. Whole heap of producers. You see me I say, but TJ, me the focus on working with TJ more. Since I'm the one.
That's so, yeah.
So song
Makes
like,
sense.
Yes, a song like Bartender, TJ, song like Better Soon Come, TJ, and a few other tunes.
You start fly, you start go places. What your most memorable moment after the song they start play? See when you say, yo, even though the song I play upon radio, this is when I know I reach.
A whole heap of moments, cause one time I did one Caribbean, I think Bermuda, and people them must say there was a funeral keeping and life so sort out, them walk out the casket with me, I say.
Yeah.
You see me, I say.
So it's things that reach some
A
places.
heap of crazy story from people who tell me, say, yo, in the most difficult times of the song there, you know, going through college, you know what I mean, going through, you know what I mean, losing family member, going through, you know what I mean, poverty, in a jail, man in a jail. And that song, they lift up them spirit, you see me, I say.
Makes sense.
And then one of the most memorable moment Japan,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? First time in Japan, you don't know them not talk English, but them sing English. You know what I mean? It was a great vibe.
Yeah.
I'm go over there, you know, in front of one of the biggest crowd, about 40,000 people. You see me, I say, if me say wave, everybody away from front, go all the way to the back. You see me, I say.
Different energy, different vibe, different
energy,
appreciation for the
different
music.
vibe, you know what I mean?
So that's your favorite place to perform then?
Definitely, it was one of my most memorable tour in terms of how them go about doing things, them professionalism, how them, you know what I mean, structure them thing. You know, no problem, everything just goes smooth.
So
You
they
see
make
it?
the business side of the business
Yeah, definitely.
serious.
Very, very serious. And I mean, them work ethic, brother. When the people they move like ants.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Everybody always busy and they go. That's why them so progressive.
Yeah, so you do fully loaded, but what are the biggest stage in Jamaica you ever go on?
Well, Sting.
Which year you do Sting? When we have a problem with the year, them and brother.
Now I remember, but I think 2010.
2010.
2010, because things shut off in 2009, so you know what I mean?
Okay, you did it. Yeah,
Next
2010.
year, them say, boom, Sting.
What was the reaction like over Jamal though?
Great, man. Remember a new artist I run out, man. And
Because if you go through a Sting crowd, then you can go through any crowd, brother.
definitely. And then run out with people them favorite song. Naturally, it's a good vibe.
Yeah.
You see me? And then we do like all major show in Jamaica, the Sumfest.
You do some fest?
Yeah, the Sting fully loaded. We do Cape Town show.
Oh, St. Mary I come from. So DJ, the reality with the music is normally there's always a little bit of challenge breaking into the music. But it is also a challenge for someone to remain relevant. You understand? Even though someone get a break, there's still a little bit of friction in terms of progressing with the career. What was your experience after you made a break? You understand? Any challenges emerge along the way?
Yeah, definitely, man. Even more than when you try to get the break to car. When you get the break, you know, like you have more eyes for you, you know. You have more expectation of your people, you see me I say? So definitely, it's a hard thing as themselves to maintain. just as hard as how it is to get the break, you see me I say? So yeah man, so we have to just keep focus and try to do our best and try to write the type of music where people know we fall in love, you know what I mean? And try to change without the music I change too.
Yeah. Anything ever happen to you in a industry where you say, yo brother, that thing you know for me no more, you know? I don't think of my space this. I don't think more on around them people.
No.
Not like that.
No matter all the things happen, you know. But guess what? When you do something where you love,
Yeah.
you see me I say, it make everything easier and more level. You see me I say? Because definitely, if the journey too easy, we not too want that journey there either.
Cool.
Because harder the battle, what?
Sweeter the victory.
Alright, so that's how we look on it.
So you do collaboration with Nanko, you do collaboration with Angel.
Yeah.
Is there any artist in the business where if you couldn't handpick to say you want to do a collab,
Yeah.
would then be with the artist here?
Yeah. Yeah, we have a few collabs even before the thing kick off too, you know. We have one with Bling Dog, one with the great Junior Reid, you see me I say, and one with Norris Man. You see it. And then forwarding up now, the Angel and who else again I say? Yeah, Nanko too.
Nanko.
Yeah. So who we want to work with now?
Yes. If you have a
Yeah.
choice to unpick an artist to say, yo,
Yeah.
I think that collab is shot already and not do it.
Yeah.
I want to do it.
Well, as long as the artist is talented and he must sing similar music like my one,
Yeah.
like my style, I can go do a collab with maybe a real hardcore artist where sing mostly about busted and them things there. You see me I say people
That not identify with your brand.
Yeah, I
Good.
identify with my brand. So you know what I mean, it have to be someone on the same level.
Cool,
you see me?
cool.
And someone where I got compliment my voice to make the thing work.
The current state of the music. What do you think about it?
Oh, it's still now?
Yeah. Is there anything about the music what you would then change if you could have changed it?
That really all I know say the music change big time because of social media and them thing there right now. Social media kind of put more power in our and as artists. In terms of social media, about more song now than radio
true.
and the street. You see me I say, so if we just use that to our advantage. But the way the music stay now, it has changed. We have some only new sound in it.
But is that a bad thing or a good thing?
That's what's hitting right now. But
Okay.
you still have certain man that keep the real authentic flavor in it. You see me? Even the latest Elephant Man tune,
Fine it. Yeah, man.
That's how we know
We
that
beat
sound.
them, yeah. True.
And the new budget. So you see, so you have someone still
Let's
keep
keep
the
it thing
real
on a level.
authentic sound. But you know what I mean? And then what I like again, you have whole heap of new youth I run out. One time you have a youth bus this year and then maybe the next one bus the next 2 years or the next 1 year.
Yeah.
If you notice now, whole heap of new youth are forward in the biz one time. So it's a good look.
You know, one of the building blocks of dancehall is the whole feud, lyrical feud between artists. The other man in the business never have no feud like that.
Not that me know about.
Not that you know about.
You know what I mean? Some people might have that in their head.
Yeah.
But we don't push that energy there. You see me I say, you know what I mean? Me have artists good, most artists. You see me I say, is a youth when I go out in the street and I see an artist. You don't know. Respect. Especially when I want to elder them.
Sure.
Where they are before me like a Killer or a Beanie or a Capleton or a, you see me I say?
Yeah. One of the bigger hits you get since life are the collaboration with the Angel.
Yeah.
How that came about.
Yeah. Well, me and Angel a friend from like a long time. Remember before me busting our music, so to speak, we go sing our birthday party. That's when she and Beanie, you see me?
Yeah.
So sing our party and from them time we keep the link. You see me I say?
But people they say the link the tight, you know.
With the whole heap of school tour. School tour together and thing and boom bang. So one day we say, D, me and your friend and we on a song together. Your artist, me artist and we on a song. And she say, one day man, and then Zoom go link with.
Oh, Zoom.
You see me I say, good production. I say, yo, you want a collab? You see me I say, I'm a message already man. I actually come up with the idea.
Yeah, okay, cool.
You know what I mean? And then we just write
Chemistry
together.
right.
Yeah.
Shot.
And it's shot.
Big
You see
song.
me? Big song, girl, I love it.
The reality is that you haven't been consistently present in a mainstream in terms of the media aspect of the entertainment thing. You understand? People might have wonder, g-wizz fall off, what go on?
Yeah, that's true. And guess what now? Only a little thing take place in between that time from 2009 coming up. You see me I say, basically, I do the thing as an independent artist now. You see me I say, me and the brother when first signed me and deal with the career, me and him good same way. But it's like a point where, because he's a businessman, he's a corporate brother, but he love the music and invest in it.
Cool.
So, reach a stage where, experience teaches, so I kind of go anything by myself. Yeah, there was a time when I start my family, I kind of take a little ease back and, grow the youth and things like that and that.
So only one youth at this point in time?
Yeah, one youth,
cool.
You see me I say? Yeah, but that's what basically happened. Yeah, me haven't been like heavily, me have a heavy present like, you see me I say, few years ago. But then again, that's where the music is. It's like a circle, you see me I say? Yeah.
As the LED again come back around down.
Circle. But once you keep working,
you put in the work.
Once you keep recording and putting in the work, you find the music forward back right in your space and favor. You see Shane out there.
Yeah,
true. You see me I say? So you can use them there as example.
Sure.
If them they stop record and say, yo, me done with it, yo, look how long me not at way.
So G-WHIZZ still in the studio. G-WHIZZ still at the Garland Road.
Up to 2 days ago, me
still a fly. Studio.
Yeah, we do it we tour them like up to last year I was in Germany on the big reggae jam festival.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? One of the big festivals in Germany. You have Summer Jam and then you have Reggae Jam. I was on Reggae Jam. And then I do a few things in the US same way and things. So definitely I'm still out there I do the thing. And as I said, just 2 days ago I'm in the studio. I record a big song with Triton. It named Big Dreams.
Yeah.
Me I go so, one day. You me not teach them. One day my life I go change. Pagans I go shock when them say a youth like me drive range. Mama please don't worry, daddy don't bother complain. Me tell my baby mother, no bun me and go and hold the faith. Daily me a put in the work, daily to the Father I pray. And me know my hard work nah go in vain, cause me have big dreams. Oh, big dreams. Me ambitious for me at 16.
Speaking about big dreams, what is, as it relates to achievement in the music, where you achieve it, what you want?
Yeah, it's a journey. Whole heap thing to achieve. Where I achieve whole heap already, Definitely. As I say, some artists come into the business and never ever find themselves having a hit song.
Yeah, true.
Never ever find themselves going certain places in the world. So we give thanks for that. And then we win a few awards.
Namely?
Like some YVA, some...
Oh, Youth Views Award.
Yeah, and then Richie B Award, when we name. EME, I think.
Yeah, EME.
And then we win Breakout Artist from a thing over New York and thing. But...
A few accolades.
A few things. They are the yard in our wrap up in the newspaper.
Wrap up in the newspaper.
I build showcase.
Yeah, I build a showcase. Yeah, big dreams.
Yeah. You see me? There's room to grow and do more, you see me? You know the whole heap of musical accolades them where artists can achieve. You like them too. You see me I say?
You ever consider doing an album?
Me have an album.
You have an album?
That's how we reach Japan, but it's exclusive to Japan.
Oh, it's a Japan release?
Yeah.
What your name?
That one the name Live Life and Love It.
What's your favorite tune on it?
You know what I mean? You have whole heap of song, you have Life on it, that tune you
Oh, Life was on it?
Yeah, and then you have a song named Uja Bless.
Do a piece of that now?
Uja Bless. That was a big song in Japan.
Mm-hmm.
People, alright, that song there, we do the most dub for. It's not life, you know. Life there, right, it's like them there. Level up, neck and neck. That's how big that song is. And most of the dub them come from Japan. Cause tell them, ooh, Jah bless. Tell them none of them no curse. Tell them none of them no curse. Cause why? Jah always protect him picnic. All them attack, none of them can sick with. We kneel and we pray up and we need every day. God above him we say strictly. Yeah, so all you see the wicked them off and a puff. We stand up to the Father, them never enough. Prayer make we feel alright. Though we know enough of them a try fight. But tell them who, Jah bless. Tell them none of them no curse.
And you still at the dub place, because dub plate lucrative, me I get for you understand now.
Even for now, you know what I mean? That's one of we
that helps sustain the thing.
That's one of we most important. One of we important income stream. Because we know how to show.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
we can go do some dub.
Yeah.
More time.
And the demand always there for that.
Yeah, always. And when you travel to, people always want dubs. You know what I mean? More time we just randomly get a call and say, yo, 2 dub, 3 dub. Because we have some agency that govern the thing.
Yeah, that makes sense. Looking at the career so far, G-WHIZZ, you understand? Is there anything at this point in time in the musical journey where you regret?
Regrets. 1 and 2 things, but not major. When we put for me, that's a January. Because you know you can't change the past. So 1 and 2 times, when I pre-work some things, I feel I could have push more, do more, for there, further.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, but at the time, when we just forward in the business, we did young, you know what I mean, we did inexperienced. Right now, I have more knowledge, I have more sense of direction, we more take my career. You see me, I say, so yeah man, but as we say, we don't dwell upon that because the past cannot be fixed. What I do, I line up for, you know what I mean, do better in the future. And then the next thing what I do to, as an independent artist, you know what I mean, is basically me a govern my thing, as me say. So I recently started an online merch store. Yeah,
makes sense. Tell the people them where them can find it, man.
Yeah. If you follow me on Instagram, which is g-wizz music, or g-wizz music on Facebook, you're going to see a merch store in our link. So we got the people, then we have some people that are from Germany and US and, you know what I mean? I just some quotes.
Yeah.
Like from a popular song them.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, like you just see live sort out on a shirt or on and on. And
so how is that going so far though?
it's a good look. We have like mugs, pullovers, leggings for female them. So them they are just things when we do as an artist. You know the game
so
change.
you're getting at the entrepreneurial aspect of the business.
Definitely. The game change. We have to look for multiple income streams as an artist.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Not only performing, not only dubs. And then what I did upon some Sun City college tour thing.
Oh, okay, cool,
You know
cool.
You know
that was good.
It was good. And then I find myself do mostly corporate thing, you know, the corporate thing. Them call to my music clean and
yeah. That makes sense to you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Corporate always call for me.
And link and say, come do this. Because the thing done sanitize long time.
That's why the school them call for me more than the college them and corporate people.
So it's important to choose a direction and stick with it. Because I know more time in the business, you know. The thing might not warm at the moment and you see some man a chop road. Yeah. Them say some things, but you still stick to what you believe in.
Yeah.
And hold your own lane same way.
It work for me. It work for me, so we just do the right thing.
How old is your son?
yeah. 5-year-old.
So, your son is 5 years old?
5-year-old.
You know, get a sister, brother?
You know, I have to work on that soon.
Do that. Not married?
You know what I mean? I want to tell you, say, I'm married, you know. A couple years, but we're not load up.
You know, load up the thing.
You see, we're not posting a picture and radio.
Congratulations, man. Because sometimes them things that we mash up the thing, you know. You know, load up the thing, you understand?
Yeah, everything govern our way, man.
And you behave yourself.
Yeah, and I see him Empress where...
Be there from the beginning.
From before the whiz bus, so to speak. You see me? So we have to just hold it out with her. And
that makes sense, you know, brother. That makes sense.
You see it?
You understand? I hope for the youth, them I go watch the interview, yeah, and make that little line there. So yeah, I say, more time of the people them what they did it with you before the thing happen.
Yeah.
And the people want to stay with you after the thing happen.
Yeah.
You understand? Because them never in it from the get-go for the money, don't
Yeah. Enough come and try overture too, so you don't know.
You hold your own.
It's just a few key people, you know, in my circle, you know. But you see when the thing did up on a level where, as you said, it was hot, so to speak.
Yeah.
Crazy people.
I run in.
You see me, I say, and then when them see say Ray, them people that gone and the same first people them start out with, are them there now.
Yeah.
So that's life, you know what I mean?
Loyalty over royalty.
Over royalty. Me not pray them thing that as now way, but just laugh and pray life.
Yeah.
And just teach myself.
Makes sense.
About life.
So GWHIZZ teach them.
Yeah.
As a youth who came from a relatively poor background to a youth who now can take care of their family. When you talk to the youth them and make the youth them understand, say, yo, you think can happen.
Look on history, man. Look on even some people in Jamaica. Look on both them, man, little country youth. You see me, I say, we can go on and on and on and on. In our sports. Look on Chris Gale, Dunkirk, them man they used to live. And one little boardhouse. You see me? You can go on and on. Artists, Killer them and things, Seaview, G-WHIZZ, Nannyville, You see me I say? Said all boy down to the fact that, you know what I mean? Just try to find your gift and your purpose from early. You see me I say? If I music, if I sports and things. Because things change now, you know, and I like doctor and lawyer and teacher where people, where parents used to always push them kids to do, like one time. Right now, you have a whole heap of youth, what you call it, entrepreneur. You know what I mean? Go China and buy up them goods and start them store and them a live nice.
Yeah.
You see me I say? So the youth say whatever you need for do, just try to stay away as much from the negativity because
stay focused.
yeah, it don't really work.
Stay positive.
You see me? Focus and just work towards the goal. Basically, sound cliche, but it's true.
So G-WHIZZ, you have had hit songs, but many times an artist's favorite song is not the biggest song. The favorite song you ever recorded with song?
I have a favorite song with name Go, produced by Not Nice Records. Whether sun, whether rain, do the work and me not complain, cause what am I want from me young? Me now wait till me all and done. Alright then, I know I got to gain. Through the struggling, through the pain. Yeah, what am I want from me young? Bad mind can't keep I down. Me get up and go. Work hard for the cash start flow, 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 flow.
The people who want to get in touch with you, how them can find you?
Yeah, G-WHIZZ music all across the board. G-WHIZZ.
Really and truly appreciate it, you know. You understand what I say?
Bad
blessings and go and put in the work.
Yeah, man.
You understand, you know, good music will always survive, don't
Teach. A big up on your journey too.
Yeah.
As a YouTuber. You see
Yeah, I can remember when you reach out and I say, yo brother, we like the works.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? For know say a man where do certain things already and go certain place, I pay attention to the thing. Really and truly appreciate that and that mean a lot. You know what I mean, brother?
Because the source, you know, there's a lot of YouTubers, but the source and how them bring the story to you. You know, say, them not doing a research. You see, me listen to your thing, you know, say, that man, do your research. You see, you know, my name, man, all kind of something. I mean, I never reason before the interview. So, I them thing them like, you see.
You have to done up a thing, man. You understand what I'm saying?
Done up.
See, no matter what you do, you have to go. Because we have big dreams.
Work hard.
And try to work for your life.
Big
sort out. You know what I mean? Brother, big up yourself. Yes, sir?
Up.
Manners.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.